Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to learn HTML or CSS using Claude AI with no coding experience. If you're using Claude AI and you have no any coding experience but you still want to learn HTML or CSS, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just open Claude AI, a new conversation, or you can also continue with any old or recent conversation. Now, once you are on this chat or conversation page, you just have to try to enter a simple smart prompt which will help you to learn HTML or CSS from beginner with no any coding experience. So I have a simple prompt for this. So you can try this one, or if you want to add any requirements, so you can also add them here. So you can see I have no coding experience. It means HTML and CSS from the beginning, or if you want to learn any one, so you can delete the other one from here. I'm gonna pasting these both, and then from the beginning explain every concept in simple language, avoid technical journal whenever possible, and give me small exercises after each lesson. So if you have added this line, it will give you a small exercise or a practice once you completed a lesson. So I'm gonna continue with this prompt, and you just gotta wait for some moment until it's give you a reply. So here you can see it has completely described the exercise 1. Now if you want to go to exercise 2, so you just have to select or enter the lesson 2 here, or you can also get a practice or an exercise for this. So in this way you can easily learn HTML or CSS using Claude AI from beginning with no coding experience. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.